Hi guys, how you doing? I'm here with Leo, and it's the day after a traumatic failed dog mating attempt. I mean, if it's traumatic for me, it must be even more dramatic for Leo. I never thought that arranging for pets, especially dogs, like arranging for them to mate, would actually be such a seemingly complicated procedure. I thought it would be quite simplistic, quite straightforward. Unfortunately, the people who we were dealing with yesterday were quite unscrupulous, immoral, unethical. But you live and learn.